In this video, we will set up services for sale at your centre. A service in Links is defined as any item that is offered to a customer that has not been purchased for resale, for example, a casual entry. Services are also set up for functions such as facility hire, class types, and group fitness sessions, as well as for things such as joining fees, admin fees, and suspension fees. Your Links administrator and customer service manager should be present for this training. Before beginning this training, please ensure you have a list of any casual entries your centre sells, as well as other codes you may require, such as swim school, facility, and group fitness income areas. To add services to your database, go to the Admin module and select Products/Services, Services Master. Start with entering a code for the service. It is recommended to start with code S1000. Then when each new service is entered, you will simply be able to click Next Code. Enter a description for the service. This is what will show on your point of sale screen, online if you're using Active Carrot, and on customer receipts. We will first set up the reporting tab. Select the category, subcategory, and the required split, then click Add. These are the categories the money from this service will report to for financial purposes. You can select multiple categories and subcategories, remembering that if you are adding multiple subcategories under one category type, the total split must add to 100%. If you enter the details incorrectly, select the line, edit the details, then click Update. Under the Comments tab, you can add any comments for this service if necessary. Under the Grouping tab, we can allocate this service to a group. Groups allow you to add multiple products and services to the point of sale touchscreen easily and are also used online. Use the drop-down menu to select the group to add the service to, or, if no group exists, click Setup, add a group code and description, then click Save. You will now be able to select the group from the drop-down menu. Setting up groups in bulk will be covered in a later video. Once you have selected the group, click Add. We can now assign the service to a location. Return to the Locations tab and select Assign to Location, and the following screen will appear. Use the drop-down menu to select the location this service will be available at. Under the Pricing tab, enter the GST or leave if this service will use the default GST previously set. Enter the price for the service. Or, if this service will be used for facility hire, class types, or group fitness sessions, you can leave the price as 0 and it will be set in the appropriate module. Select Stop Override if you do not want your staff to be able to change the price on this service at point of sale for any reason, including giving discounts. Select Require User Login on sale if you want your staff to have to enter their staff ID to sell this service. Select Require Customer Casual if you want to take down the details of the customer purchasing this service each time it is sold. Select Always Print Receipt if you want receipts to automatically print each time this service is sold. If you have only global sales categories, the Reporting tab will not need to be filled in as this was set in the Services Master. However, if you have location-specific sales categories, you will need to set the reporting for these under the Reporting tab in Service Location. Under the Activities tab, we can select any activities this service is used for. An activities report can then be run to show centre use by activity. Use the drop-down menu to select the required activity. You can add multiple activities if needed. Under the Prerequisites tab, you can define if a customer must already have a certain membership type to purchase this service. If required, use the 3 dots to find the membership type. Then click Apply, or, to add multiple membership types, select Add Membership Types from pop-up and select the necessary memberships. Once you have entered in the required details, click Save to return to the Services Master. If you want this service to be available at multiple locations, select Assign to Location again, use the drop-down menu to select the next location this service will be available at, fill in the required tabs, and click Save. Click Save again to clear the screen, ready to enter the next service. If you are entering multiple services with similar properties, for example, casual adult swim, casual concession swim, and casual child swim, that will all have the same reporting categories, grouping, activities, and prerequisites, you can use the clone feature to prevent having to enter in all the details again. Use the 3 dots to select the service you wish to clone, then click Clone. Click Next Code, then OK. You will notice all the details are entered exactly as they were for the previous service. Simply change only the details that are different, for example, the description and price. Then click Save or Clone to continue adding similar services. If you no longer want a service to be available for purchase, you can make it inactive. Use the 3 dots to find the service you wish to make inactive. Double-click on the location you wish to make the service inactive for to bring up the product location setup screen. Click Set Status, then Set to Inactive, and OK. Once you have entered in all your services, click Save, then Close. As services are attached to many different functions in links, you may find you will need to return here to add services as you go. In the next video, we will set up product grouping.